Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Well, in today's video, we're going to do a little retail therapy. Now, this week I am having my garage sale, and so I am not able to decorate in my home, so I thought I would take you guys out and about. So the store that we're going to tour today is called Luxuria. Now, this is a high-end home furnishing and accessory store, and they have many one-of-a-kind pieces. They also carry one of my favorite candle companies. And so I'm going to also share what I picked up while I was browsing in the store today. You guys know I can't go in the store and not buy candles. And so I went in to purchase something for my son. I mentioned to you guys in another video that my youngest son moved out in his own apartment to go to school. And so I thought I would pick him up some room fresheners for his apartment. They mentioned to me that they had some that smelled like a cologne that is very similar to one that he uses. So I thought it would be good to pick him up something for his apartment. And as you can see, I also picked up some for the cars. Now, this particular scented sachet, it can be used, they say, in the laundry as well as in your home, maybe like in your vacuum cleaner, in your lingerie drawers, just anywhere in the home where you want it to fragrant. And so I picked these up for him, and maybe my other son might enjoy them as well. And then I picked myself up some candles just to kick off the decorating for fall. I love to have candles, you guys know that. And so I picked up a couple small ones, and then I picked up a large one, and I'll share those with you in another video because I want to share with you how some of the scents are. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and light the candle. I want you guys to go ahead and enjoy the video, and I am going to start setting up for my garage sale. So thank you so much for watching the video today, and thank you for just going along with me on this store tour while I get myself together for this week's garage sale. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to put a video out on Friday, because if you've done garage sales before, you know that it is a lot to set up and it wears you down. So hopefully I will come out with a video, but if I don't, maybe I'll have one on Saturday. So please have your bell notifications turned on, because I don't want you guys to miss out on this upcoming video. Thanks again, and enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye. So guys, this is one of the one-of-a-kind pieces that I was telling you about. Now, these are hand-painted throws on a velvet material, and they are exquisite. Okay, so this collection that you're about to see is called the Gigi collection, and it is a beautiful, functional, entertaining collection, and it has beautiful ceramics with metal details. Now, I'm showing you this collection because I have been fortunate to pick up a few of these pieces in my local Goodwill. And so I want you guys to see some of these items. So if you see them in your Goodwill, you know what they're worth and you need to pick them up if you like them. I happen to like this look. It's very European inspired and it fits in with some of my decor that I like to use in my home. So I've picked up these chargers. You guys may have seen them in some of my tablescapes, and I didn't pay $220 for mine. I believe I only paid 99 cents. So guys, you just never know what you find in Goodwill. But I bring you to these stores so just in case you see some of these items in your store, you know to pick them up. I also picked up that cake plate. Now, it didn't come with the dome, but that's okay. I already had a dome.